Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos to like recorded by a retro cam only by using this CapCut effect. So here I've already added the clips that I want to edit, and to add the frame, retro cam frame, you can just go to video effects and then find TV category, swipe this one TV, and in here scroll down until you find the retro cam option. So now my video looks like it's recorded by a retro cam. Click on the check icon and make sure it applies through the entire clip. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.